Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you edit text in Premiere Pro. So guys, at first to put some text in the clip, click on this type tool, which is also you can put it like clicking T from your keyboard, and after that click on the clip and type anything. Now if you want to select all the text, just left click from your mouse and you can just select it like this. Also you can select it like clicking Ctrl and Alt together, and after that just click on the selection tool and make the text clip bigger, like the size as the clip, and after that you can just make this text bigger as well by clicking the selection tool like this. You can change this font if you want. Just click on this arrow icon to expand it, and here you can see I've selected this font. You can just click on here, you can just change it. There are so many kind of font here. You can change the font to regular like this, italic, bold italic. You can change the font color, the scroll, and as you can see, fill, click on it and change the color, which color you want. Click on OK. You can make this stroke, click on it and click on this stroke. You can change it like this. Click on OK. You can change the stroke width like this. You can change the background and shadow as well. Click on background. You can put a background, any kind of background you want. You can change it, the background opacity, this also. You can make it like a rectangle shape. You can put a shadow, any color shadow you want. You can edit this shadow. You can give it a 3D vibe. You can mask this text if you want, and after that scrolling you can change its position from here as well, where you need to be positioned. You can change it scale, just like put a keyframe here and change it like this. Like this. Now just check it. The video is long, so you can just make this here. Let me put it close. So guys, that's how you can edit text in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.